What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day, and it's kind of chilly today, but we're gonna take the Mustang out and we're gonna head to the shop. And the reason I'm heading to the shop is because the car's been feeling weird. You know, I did the little mods on it here and there, like the suspension work, exhaust, little stuff like that. I don't think it's gonna need a retune, but I want Lydio to drive it. Lydio is the guy who tunes my car and builds it as well. So I'm gonna have him look it over. I just don't feel like the throttle is as responsive as it should be. So I had hit him up and told him about it. He said bring it in, he's gonna test drive it, and we're gonna see if there's a problem, which I don't think there's a problem. It might be like a retuning issue that he needs to do, but it just doesn't feel the same. It's weird. It's only like fast when it's in the right gear at the right miles per hour, and then when I hit it, it's like fast. But like if I'm just cruising around and I want to hit it, it's just not responsive. You know, it's just weird. But anyways, let's start the Mustang and get going. So what? And that's a little quieter. I can also start it in quiet mode where it's really quiet when it starts, but I don't think it's healthy to do that. So I'm just gonna keep it the way it is, which is why I don't turn it on really early in the morning and really late, because I don't really want to be annoying to my neighbors around me. So let's hop in and get going. And we have officially hit traffic. It's rush hour and the highway's 2 lanes. I don't know why this side is closed, because they just redid it, so it should be open. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's closed off, and now we're stuck in traffic. So while I'm stuck in traffic, I decided to pick up the camera and talk to you guys. So, what car do you guys want to see me race next? I've raced a lot of cars in this Mustang. To name a few, CTSV, BMW M4, C63 AMG, Hellcat Scat Pack, BMW M3, what else? Manual 2018 Mustang. I mean, a little bit of everything I try racing. Of course, there's a lot more cars out there that I haven't raced, and I really want to race everybody. And the reasons why I race my car is I want to gauge it. So I want to see how fast I can do against certain cars, who I can beat, who I can't beat. You know, it's all fun at the end of the day, and it's good content for you guys. So let me know in the comments below what cars that I have not raced yet you guys want to see a race with. Comment down below. Yeah, buddy, we are 6 minutes away. So after an hour of driving, the Mustang is finally here, and we're about to go in to Lydio's place. Let's see what he is talking about today. Woo! There's a few Mopars here. Let's check them out. Check out this Hellcat. I have not seen a Hellcat with silver stripes, and it has the new grille too. What do you guys think of these? These silver stripes are different. I have not yet seen one with it. It looks good. Looks good. And then Lydio's car right here, the Shelby Mustang, and then here we have a 5.0 and 18 with the stripes. That looks really good, actually. Let me show you guys the stripes. Carbon fiber stripes with the red outline, which is what I wanted to do, but I'm gonna end up wrapping my entire car. But that looks really, really good. It goes all the way through. I like this. I like this. We also got this Mustang right here, GT500. I think this is the one I showed you guys with all the carbon fiber stuff. Let me just show you guys. This needs like at least a 2-minute clip on it. I mean, look at the wheels and tires, right? Just look at this. It looks like a show car, literally. Everything is so perfect on it. That's all carbon fiber, by the way. Dude, this car is so perfect. Dude, like just look at the bottom of it. It's like everything is just handcrafted or something. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, this car's an Autorama like every year.
So we're about to go take it for a drive now.
That's wrong. Think of how it sounds. You like it? It sounds like it's quite louder. Well, this has the dual mode mufflers, all right?
Yeah. You're talking about. I still like watch.
Yeah.
If you put it in quiet mode, it'll like.
Yeah, I love these mufflers.
It gets so quiet.
I love these mufflers, man.
You could put it in. If we put it in drag strip, it'll open up, and you know I like. It's different. You know, my Hellcat's not as loud. You know, we didn't do it as loud as it should be.
But you know how
I love it.
I like a good tone. I don't like.
Oh yeah, I love it. But since this is like a Mustang, and how beautiful they sound with these little modifications, I
still love my Mustangs more than my Hellcat. I love my Hellcat. Don't get me wrong, but I like Mustangs better. They're just smaller. We don't have to leave it in drag mode, but I guess we will. But here, I'll show you right away. Watch. I haven't done nothing. Watch. I'm going to paddle it down. Now watch. I'm not going to touch nothing.
So it's basically going to.
It's like a Hellcat.
Stay in gear.
It'll stay in fourth gear for 45 seconds.
So, guys, so what this car used to do is basically when I downshift it, without putting it in manual mode, just leaving it in drive, because I want it to shift on its own, it'll stay in the gear that I want it for like 3 to 4 seconds, and which was really annoying because when I want to race, that's annoying because you know nobody's gonna be ready in 3 seconds. So now that he changed it with the tune, it's 45 seconds now.
Yes.
So it gives you plenty of time.
Yeah, you can basically leave it in drive, paddle down to the gear you'd like, set up a roll race as most people do, and then you've got 45 seconds to nail it or do whatever you're going to do. The only thing is if you paddle it down to the wrong gear, like let's say the car wants to be in second and you've only got it in fourth, it'll still downshift because the car knows the transmission isn't ready.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So yeah, so
it kind of helps you out.
Yeah, but if you paddle down to the correct gear, like let's say 40 roll, second gear, it's about 4,000 RPM roughly. You can just hold it there and then smash it when you're ready. Factory used to be 3-second delay, which was just absolutely terrible. I don't understand why the calibration people let something like that go. The Hellcats are almost a minute after you paddle them down while in drive.
Yeah, the Hellcats stay there for a long time.
They started it and did it right from the beginning. I just don't know why Ford calibration people blew it on that one, basically.
And also, your Hellcat, when you put it in manual, you tuned it to stay to like shift on its own.
Yeah, Hellcats, I set them up so that if you put them in manual mode and do not touch the shifter, they still upshift at about $7 grand, whereas factory they just sit there and bang the limiter at 6,200. So it's just a little extra feature I do to make them shift extra late, because most people disagree with this, but Hellcats pull to $7 grand. They need to shift there. It makes all the difference. It makes a difference when roll racing. It's worth a couple of tenths at the track sometimes more, but typically 2 tenths.
Yeah, I mean I notice a difference in mine. I love the way it shifts on it.
Yeah, as far as just driving it normal right now, it feels pretty good. I'm not feeling anything. I don't feel like a lagginess to it. It feels responsive. I'm not looking at like anything up close as far as air fuel ratio stuff like that, but I can't really say that it feels sluggish or weird or slower. Just cruising along at 5,000 RPM, 3,800 now. I'm just gonna punch it. Spun the tires over the bumps right there. Just went into some traction control. Yep, again. And what I'll do now is I'll let it get into like 6th gear. I'll just drive it normal. Okay. And I'll paddle it down to 4th, let's say. You and I both know that 4th gear to 40 roll is incorrect.
Yeah, right.
So it'll hold 4th gear now while in drive, and then I'm gonna just mash it, and it's gonna still downshift and do the right thing for you.
Oh man, that's crazy.
It's still
it downshifted.
I thought it was gonna go to 2nd, but we must have been rolling too fast for a 2nd gear automatic.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And now it just went back into drive because it's expired. The time is expired. What I'll do is let me look at some of the data. I'll glance at some of it at full throttle right now since I captured it. I'll make sure everything looks okay. Actually, Ron, I did find a problem. The left side oxygen sensor. Now I don't know if this has happened since you had the exhaust on. It's not reading right. Check. Oops, I'm sorry. Check it out. Look. See how those zeros? That's not supposed to be zeroed.
Is that an O2 sensor?
Yeah, that's your left side. It's this side.
That's
a primary O2. That's important, Ron. something has happened. It either broke, wore out, or possibly when the guys did the exhaust, they damaged it. You need to go back. Did Justin do it for you?
No.
Oh, you had someone else do it?
My cousin did it. We did it like kind of together.
Yeah, this could be warranted if you want to take it to the dealer.
All right, guys, so there it is. I knew there was a problem. You just kind of feel it when it's your own car. You're driving it every day, and it just feels a little bit different than before. And well, there it is. The O2 sensor on the driver's side is out. So I'm gonna have to go check that out. And it's unfortunate that that happened, but things happen, car stuff happens. So I'm gonna go and take care of that. He told me it cost about $130. I'll keep you guys updated with what's gonna happen with that, and when we replace it, I'll obviously make a video, and I'll tell you guys how it got damaged, or maybe the guy didn't put it in right, or I don't know. We'll figure it out, but it's time to let you guys go. So if you guys like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on to stay up to date with the videos, and of course be part of the family, and make sure you're following my social media. It's right there in the corner, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.